Just like with the EZ Plumb, send it, we'll bend it. That's the thing you gotta think about when driving post. Drive the post, don't be so concerned about being perfectly plumb. We've got adjustment typically in most styles of construction we're doing. Send the post down, try to get as plumb as possible, but don't stress about it. Then drop the EZ Plumb over top of the post after it's drove. It falls to the ground, right at ground level. And we'll be able to move this post, bend it up off the ground. So maybe I send it, we'll bend it. The same post that you're driving is going to be your leverage bar. So you would take one of the posts you're driving, obviously an 8-foot long version of this, slide it in the end of the EZ Plumb out there at 8 foot, and you can push that and bend that post to plumb. If you need to go that direction, spin your EZ Plumb over and push it down this direction. So they go this way. You always want to push down. If you don't have enough weight on the end of it, just have someone gently push on the top of the post as you push down with EZ Plumb until you get the post perfectly plumb in all directions. What we're looking for, then we'll use different types of adjustments in the construction of the fencing in a straight line. To get these posts perfectly plumb after they've been drove, use the EZ Plumb for that. Okay.